Alrighty boys, so the 80 is completely finished. We got a new chain and sprocket on the back. And we got a brand new front tire right here in the front. Everything looks nice and minty, holds air. And yeah, it's looking a little crusty right now, so let's just throw it up on the stand, wash her down real nicely. And then yeah, it'll be up for sale tonight. Alright, quick tip on a Honda. If you got a Crf80, anything like that, on the seat over time it'll create black stuff like this. It's old dirt. If you get a Mr. Clean Wipe and just wipe it a lot, it'll come off. And you can tell where I used it and where I didn't. I used it right here, I didn't right there. And so you just do that on the whole seat. Bike will be looking fresh. Yeah. Alrighty boys, so we got the Crf80 back up on the stand. Just took pictures, I'm about to post it up. But yeah, this is the end of the Crf80 build. I think it turned out pretty nicely. Front tire looks pretty minty. Got new chain and sprockets on the back. Everything looks nice and fresh. I don't know, it's not a bad bike. We'll see how good it sells. Really looking to get a Crf150R, something in that range, as a trail bike, because I did sell the 140. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed this build, if you didn't watch it actually, just go, I can leave some links down in the description where you can find all the other links on this build. I think it was like 4 parts. And yeah, this is the end of the build, so if y'all enjoyed watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below on what y'all think about it. And yeah, peace.